What do you mean by life skills, guys? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever pondered over it? That what does this life skills mean? How can I imbibe any life skill in my daily life routine? Okay, I can make this task easy for you. Let me split these two words, life skills. So now we get life and skill. So what does life mean? Life means your existence on this earth, and skill means your ability that you develop by time. Now let me take these two words all together again. Now it has become life skills. Now if we will take their meaning all together, so whenever you use a skill to make your life better, to make your life worthy. And here worthy doesn't mean that you have to make your life worthy in a sense that you will be a renowned person. Means when you will be a renowned person or a popular person, then only your existence, your worthiness will be there on this earth. No, it is not that case. A common person can definitely make his or her life worthy by making a difference to his or her life or to anyone's life. So worthiness doesn't mean that you have to be a renowned person or you have to be a popular person. So kindly diffuse this thought. So every person, because I believe that every person on this earth, every creature on this earth has his or her existence, and this is the reason they are on this earth. So life skill is all about that how you can make your life better by using your skills, by using your talent, by using your abilities. Because majorly we always focus over the soft skills, we always focus over the personal development skills, but hardly anyone talks about or they focus over the life skills, which is the first steps towards any skill, be it a soft skill or personal development skill. Because life skill is not a part of the soft skills. Soft skill is the part of the life skills. So first you have to focus over your life skills. First you have to focus over your life skills. If you will sound good personally, then only you will sound great professionally. Trust me, it's my experience. So first you have to focus over your personal life. If you will be happy in your personal life, then you will be delighted. You will be delighted in your professional life. So it's just kind of thing that you have to think that it's all about the balance. It's all about the balance. So first focus over your personal attainment. First focus over your personal needs. First focus over your personal development. Then only you can lead to an effective professional life. So guys, today I'm going to share with you all three easy life skills that you should adopt in your daily life routine. Everyone must be knowing these skills, but these skills are the most ignorant one. I don't know why people don't think over these simple skills. They make it very complex. They make it these skills very complex. So today I have come up with these three skills, and if you're going to imbibe these three skills in your daily life, then trust me, your life will be easy, will be soothing, and you will see happiness everywhere. So if you're interested in knowing those three skills, then keep on watching and let's get started. So the first life skill is, before telling you that life skill, let me explain you something, or let me ask you one question that you must have thought this question, that why I'm on this earth, like how my existence can make a difference to anyone's life. Have you ever thought about it? And like for example, if you're doing well in your life, then only you will be thinking that okay, I have some purpose in your life. And if your life is stagnant, your life is dull and boring, so you must be thinking that why I'm on this earth, right? So guys, let me tell you one thing, that as I just mentioned in my introduction, that every creature on this earth has his or her existence or its existence. We cannot ignore our natural surroundings also. They are there on this mother earth for some purpose, right? So the first life skill that you have to focus over is that you are important. This is the ultimate life skill, that you have to think that yes, I am important, I am here, I'm here on this mother earth for some purpose. Now you need to find that purpose, then now you need to focus over, now you need to work over that. Okay, purpose, it doesn't mean that you have, again you have to be a social worker, you have to be a rich person, then only your purpose will be fulfilled. No, there's no need to be a social worker to fulfill your life purpose. So first you have to focus, first you have to say that yes, I am important. This is the ultimate life skill. I need to consider myself as an important person in my life than the others. First, if you will think about yourself, then only you will be able to think about other people, other people's need, other people's emotions and feelings. As you will think about your emotions, your feelings, like for example, if you're liking something, you will be happy. Okay, and if you will hurt someone, so you are going to get to know that thing, that if I'm hurting someone, so that person is going to be sad, that person is going to be gloomy. Okay, so if you will be concerned about your feelings, then only you will be concerned about someone else's feeling, right? So first, think that you are important. Do not underestimate your abilities, do not underestimate your capabilities. This is the second point under this first point itself, like you are important. If you will think that yes, I'm on this earth for some purpose, I have this talent, I have this capability, and that talent, that capability, you have to think over, you have to identify, okay, that you must be having some special quality. You must be good at gardening, you must be good at speaking, you must be good at cooking, reading, writing, sketching, painting, you must be good at physical fitness, you must be good at mental fitness. So there are several things, there are several talents, there are several abilities that you can focus over. If you haven't, like for example, like now you must be thinking that I have never thought that what I am good at. I don't have any talent. I do not have any ability. If you are thinking this question again, don't think like that. This is the second life skill, that do not underestimate your abilities. Do not find out your abilities. Yes, now you must be thinking that how can I identify my ability? How can I identify my talent? So for me, how I get to know this thing, that I love teaching. I love guiding people. Because I find happiness in this work. I do not get tired. Whenever I teach, whenever I study, I do not get tired. So any work, okay, any work where you just find happiness tirelessly, you can work in that particular area, that area is your passion, that work, that talent is your passion. You can do wonders in that particular area. If you are good at painting, like you find like contentment, you just find happiness whenever you are sad, and if you're doing painting, you just feel relaxed, you just feel rejuvenated. So I think that is like, and tirelessly if you're doing this work, you do not feel tired, then that is your work, that is your passion. If you haven't discovered your passion, then think over it, focus over your daily life routine, that what you do in a day, what makes you happy. Okay, even taking care of home, taking care of your people can give you contentment, can give you happiness, then that is your passion, right? So if you are taking care of people, it means you are making a difference in their life, right? So do not underestimate your passion, your abilities, your talents. Okay, this is the second important life skill that everyone should be aware of. And nowadays we have like lots of opportunities, lots of social media platforms where you can enhance your skill, where you can showcase your skill, you can display your skill, and you can be like, by doing so you can be a popular person, like if you want to be a popular person. And if you do not want to be, but still if you want to create awareness, if you want to teach people with the help of your talent, with your skills, then why not spread the knowledge? That's it, you should do that. And the last important skill that you should follow, I know it could be a tough one, it could be a tricky one, but I think it is the indispensable one. You cannot avoid this skill, you cannot miss out on this skill, and that skill is, do not depend on anyone. Do not, don't dare to do that. Okay. I believe in that you should do your own work, you should not be dependent on someone for your work. It doesn't mean that you cannot ask for any help, for any favor, but it should be there whenever you are in the extreme need. Okay, when you are in the need and you know that you need someone's help, then only ask for help. But every time for your small needs also, if you are asking help from someone, then it's not good. It doesn't mean that you are asking for help, it means that you are depending on someone else. So for your small work, for your small thing, if you are living away from your family, like for in case for your studies or for your job, try to be an independent person. Do not think that my roommate or my colleague or my classmate will do this work for me. No, you are here on this earth for your own purpose, you are here on this earth for your own living. Like God hasn't sent you on this earth that you will be dependent one day on someone, right? So be independent, in every area, in every aspects. And this is the most important one, guys, you should follow. Means I have imbibed this quality in me, and it actually helps me a lot. It's like my personal experience, whatever I'm telling you, it's from my personal experience. So that's it. Like don't depend, think that you are important, and right away you should claim that you are important in the comment section below. And if you will do that, you will feel an energetic aura around you, you will feel rejuvenated, you will be delighted when you do that. Okay, so think that you are important and do not underestimate your abilities. So I hope, guys, that these 3 important life skills will help you out to work towards your life purpose, to work towards what you are capable of. And that's it, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.